48 hours roughly, give and take. I'm going to unmold today. Always do a pH test. So there's a bit of rain today, so there's a bit of moisture, so you can see that, which is a good sign, okay? Our cheap Charlie soap is still a good soap, okay? It has attract water, it has glycerin, and it's attract water, okay? So don't worry about if it attract water like this one, moisture, okay? Don't worry about it. Soft still. I think I have to wait a bit longer. I think it's still a bit too soft after, because I use a lot of water. So I reckon it's still a bit too soft to cut. Okay, let's do a pH test first before we do anything. So, drop into water. Okay, that'll do. Get a brand new spanking. We green, we good, okay? So we have green there. Okay, we good to test, okay? But that's just the outside. The inside we don't know yet. So with this one, I probably have to wait, okay? I reckon I have to wait for another 8 hours or so. Then I'll cut it. Leave out the mold like this. Then I'll wait, okay? That's all you can do. I think it's a bit too. I can feel it. Still a bit too soft. So far, I like the look so far. We have white to blue. But I got to cut inside. Okay, let's do a cut inside. Just cut one piece and see what happens. Okay, so 3 there. Way too soft, look at that. So it's crumpling apart from me, so no good there, right? So I need to wait further. Okay. Because I use a lot of water, unfortunately, and I use aloe vera as well, doesn't help. But the pattern turned out alright. I reckon I like it. So let's pick this first. It's way too soft. Okay, we probably have to wait another 2 more days, 1 more day, probably 2 more days, just be make sure, And we didn't do the correct calculation for the citric acid, so that could be the problem as well. Superfat probably very high. That's why the soft's like this. The soap is like this. Okay. That's how you learn, right? By mistake. Don't do it all the time though. Learn from one mistake and learn from it. Yeah? Okay, leave it aside. Okay, so it's not ready to cut yet. Okay, now we're going to do a ladder test since we're here as well. Ladder test. So let's try this one. This is a new recipe that it's cold water. Okay, so it's not the best test. Slimy, it's brand new soap. Okay. So far so good. Okay, do the cutting, I have to wait, okay. So cheap Charlie soap, not cheap anymore, okay. Very luxurious. You have to wait. The recipe is good, just my technique with the addition is no good. Okay, I need to rethink about the water discount and how to use citric acid properly. Okay, if I use a better calculation, which will be better. But that's it. Okay, laddering is good. Feel a bit still slimy a little bit, but that's as we expected because it's brand new soap. Just under 48 hours soap. So you can expect to be that kind of texture. If you haven't seen this recipe, check out the description. I'll leave down the recipe down below. Also check the playlist. Okay. I'll see you next time with another video. Okay. Bye.